Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can install Gmail on Windows 11. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome, and then you just simply want to head to Gmail. Okay, once you're in Gmail, go ahead and click the three vertical dots at the top right hand corner. Then you'll see an option here, cast, save and share. And then you'll also have another option here. If I go back to it, install page as app. Okay, click on install page as app. You can call it Gmail, then click on install, and basically now you have a Gmail app right here. So you can see it on the taskbar. That's good. You can basically pin that to your taskbar, so I think that'll be a good idea. So if I close this now and close out the the Google Chrome one, all you simply need to do, you can see there's a desktop icon there too. You can just click on your Gmail app and it'll load up, and you can check your emails that way. If you want to switch your accounts, you can do that by clicking on your profile icon. Okay, so it's only going to be for that specific account, but that's fine. So that's it. If this video helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.